Sorry about that. There are the wires there are colored black, yellow, and gray.
Yes.
So and there is a small box type there. So the yellow cable, it's called the Ethernet cable.
I don't know what you're saying. Can you please tell me plainly? Because it really pissed me off if someone will really tell me it, and it sounds like you're belittling me.
No,
Can you give me clear explanations of it, Ryan? May I?
It's taking the role of a good, sometimes we get someone like
Joke lang, Ryan.
What,
Hello?
what is your question?
Can you give me a simple term so that I could understand? Because I know the process, but I just want you to help me go with it.